Welcome to the heart of the wild, a world untouched, where nature thrives in its purest form. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey through the wonders of our planet. From the towering mountains to the deepest oceans, the beauty of life unfolds before our eyes. Join us as we explore the untamed wilderness, where every creature, big and small, plays a vital role in the circle of life. Deep within the emerald embrace of the rainforest, life flourishes in an endless symphony. Birds of every color fill the sky, their songs echoing through the dense foliage. Monkeys swing effortlessly between the towering trees, their playful antics a testament to the energy of the jungle. This is a world where nature thrives in perfect harmony, a delicate balance maintained by every living being. In these forests, the tiniest insects play a crucial role, pollinating plants that give birth to life. From the smallest ants to the mighty jaguar lurking in the shadows, each creature depends on the other in this intricate web of existence. The Great Plains of Africa, where the land stretches beyond the horizon and the air is thick with the pulse of life. Here, the gentle giants roam, the elephants, symbols of wisdom and strength. They move as one, their deep connections evident in every touch, every call. The matriarch leads the herd, guiding them with knowledge passed down through generations. These magnificent creatures shape the landscape, creating pathways and watering holes that sustain countless other species. Yet, despite their size, they remain vulnerable, facing threats that challenge their very existence. Under the African sun, the king of the jungle reigns supreme. The lion, fierce and noble, embodies both power and unity. A pride is more than a family, it is a kingdom, ruled by discipline, cooperation, and instinct. The lionesses, skilled hunters, work together in silent coordination, their golden eyes locked on their next meal. The cubs, unaware of the challenges that await them, learn through play, their future etched in the legacy of their ancestors. Far from the warmth of the savanna, another predator rules the frozen wilderness. The polar bear, a master of survival, navigates a world of ice and snow. Adapted to endure the harshest conditions, these incredible animals rely on their thick fur and sharp instincts to hunt, to endure, and to thrive. But even here, in one of the most remote corners of the planet, the impact of change is undeniable. The ice melts faster than ever, challenging the very existence of these Arctic giants. Above the earth, a ruler of the skies glides effortlessly. With wings spread wide, the eagle watches over its domain. Its vision, sharper than any human's, locks onto a target from miles away. In a sudden, breathtaking dive, it strikes with precision, a true testament to nature's perfect design. The eagle is a symbol of power, freedom, and the raw beauty of the untamed world. Beneath the waves lies a world just as rich and diverse as the lands above. Coral reefs, nature's underwater cities, are home to a dazzling array of life. Schools of fish move in unison, their colors flashing like living jewels. Majestic sea turtles glide effortlessly, while tiny creatures seek shelter among the coral's delicate branches. But this paradise is fragile. Rising temperatures and human activity threaten the very foundation of these ecosystems. Yet, hope remains. Conservation efforts and awareness are paving the way for a future where these underwater worlds can continue to thrive. In the quiet corners of the world, where the grass sways gently and the rivers sing their ancient songs, nature moves at its own pace. The deer, ever watchful, graze in the golden light of dusk. They embody grace and caution, their senses always attuned to the presence of unseen dangers. The wolf lurks nearby, its keen eyes never missing a movement. It does not hunt for sport but for survival. The balance of predator and prey is one of nature's oldest stories, a cycle as old as time itself. As the sun dips below the horizon, the wilderness comes alive in a new way. Nocturnal creatures stir, and the world hums with unseen energy. The cycle of life continues, an endless dance of creation and renewal. We are but visitors in this vast, untamed world. Its beauty is a gift, one that we must cherish and protect. Every forest, every river, every creature plays a role in the intricate masterpiece that is our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you've been inspired by the wonders of nature, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There's so much more to explore, and together we can ensure that these incredible landscapes and creatures continue to thrive for generations to come.